Next, we move to 7.2a. Explain nucleophilic substitution reaction of haloalkene. Haloalkene undergoes substitution reaction with nucleophile. For example, Rx is haloalkene and react with nucleophile. So a nucleophile replaces a leaving group on a sp3 hybridized carbon. So X minus as a leaving group. Next, nucleophile. So nucleophile, we have strong nucleophile and weak nucleophile. So example of strong nucleophile is hydroxide ion, negative OR, for example, methoxide ion and cyanide ion. Example of weak nucleophile is water, ROH, for example, methanol, ammonia, and acetate ion. Next, we move to 7.2e, explain elimination reaction of haloalkene. Reaction with sodium hydroxide. When Rx react with sodium hydroxide, so OH minus will replace with X and the product form is alcohol. For example, chloromethane react with hydroxide ion. So OH minus as a nucleophile will replace with Cl. So the product form is alcohol and Cl minus as a leaving group. Rx is primary haloalkene because it reacts with strong nucleophile. Next, a reaction with alkoxide ion. When Rx reacts with alkoxide ion, so negative OR minus will replace with X. So the product form is ether and X minus as a leaving group. For example, bromoethane react with methoxide ion. So methoxide ion as a nucleophile will replace with Br. So the product is ether and Br minus as a leaving group. Reaction with excess ammonia. For example, KRX, haloalkene, react with excess ammonia, so the product is primary amine. NH4 plus X minus as a leaving group. Okay, when we have 1 bromopropane react with excess ammonia, so ammonia as a nucleophile and the product is primary amine. NH4 plus Br minus as a leaving group. When haloalkene react with primary amine to form secondary amine. For example, okay, this one is Rx and react with primary amine. So the product is secondary amine. Next, reaction with KCN or NaCN or Cn minus. Okay, when Rx react with Cn minus, so Cn minus will replace with X and the product is nitrile and X minus as a leaving group. For example, chloroethane react with Cn minus. So, Cn minus will replace with Cl and the product form is nitrile and Cl minus as a leaving group. Reaction with alcohol. Okay, for example, Rx react with alcohol. So, the nucleophile is OR. So, OR will replace with X and the product is ether. So, HX as a leaving group. For example, okay, so 1-chloro-1,3-dimethyl-cyclopentane react with methanol. So the nucleophile is OCH3 minus. will replace with Cl. So the product is ether and HCl as a leaving group. Reaction with acetate ion. Okay, when RX react with acetate ion, so the product is ester. For example, bromomethane react with acetate, so acetate ion as a nucleophile, okay, and replace with Br. So the product is ester and Br minus as a leaving group. Last, reaction with water. So when RX react with water, so the product is alcohol and HX as a leaving group. For example, bromoethane react with water, so the product is ethanol and HBr as a leaving group. Okay, that's all for chapter 7. Thank you.